Okay, ACSS GRIFFIN Gen 2. This is probably the most advanced LPVO reticle that I've ever designed. It's very fast in CQB. So in CQB, it looks like a red dot essentially. And then as you zoom in, you'll notice within the first 4 mils, it's auto-ranging BDC, meaning you just fit the target shoulder to shoulder, whether it's on the horseshoe or the open ends for 300 yards, the first crosshair for 400 yards, the next crosshair, the third for 500 yards, and the last for 6. You can also set it for meters and do a 50-meter zero, and then we'll get you lined up in meters as well. What that does, that allows you to very quickly, math-free, put rounds on target, data-free. And if you want to be extremely accurate, then you get into the grid and simply do a mil-mil firing solution like you normally would do. On the grid itself, you will notice that there's 5 mil indicators. Every 5 mils, there's a little barbell to very quickly allow you to navigate without having to look over at the numbers, especially when you're zoomed in. One very important feature you'll notice within the grid is how the numbers are laid out. I could say go down 6 and over 2, and you'll notice that the 6 and the 2 will intersect. Same with the 4 and the 6, or the 8 and the 2. That's very important because you take the time to line everything up. So let's say 6 and 2, and as soon as you fire and that recoil takes you off, now you're having to reline everything back up, and that really helps to look at the numbers and align it that way. Okay, range estimation. You'll notice brackets off to the left and right of the reticle, and what those do is they range estimate full height and half size. Full height will give you the most accurate reading, so we could tell the 6 is too small, the 5 fits just right. So very quickly you can range estimate and know that this target is 500 meters away. And then same goes with the half size. If you're not seeing the bottom half of the target, you can simply go from the waistline up and range estimate, and we could tell that it's, in this example, about 400 yards away or 400 meters away, depending on which model of the ACSS Griffin you have. Team navigation, you will notice big mills coming off to the left and right and down. They're indicated by 20, 30, 40, 50. The way this works is we find a point that we both see and we put our reticle on there, and now I can walk into anything within that grid. So let's say there's a target that you don't see. Now I have to walk you in. I'll say put your crosshairs on the target that we both see, and now look, let's say 35 down and 25 to the left, and walk you right into that target that's down to the left there that you might have missed. This is very important for designating targets, very important for walking people into targets that they don't see. The great thing about the Griffin mill is that you can do all your firing solutions in mil-mil form the way that you would do for a precision type shot, but at the same time be able to quickly range and engage targets. The mill system is great for accuracy, but it's not ideal for speed. To have to take your eye off the glass to look at data and then shoot takes time. So if you had to make that shot in the next 10 seconds, it allows you to very quickly range and engage. So think of it like a bullet drop compensator that's been seamlessly integrated into the mill system, that's compatible with 308, 5.56, some other loads as well. You tweak the zero and you look at your bullet drop compensation and try to get it to line up on the mill marks. All right, I hope this stuff makes sense. Guys, wanting more info on this, go to primaryarms.com, search ACSS GRIFFIN Gen 2. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Look for more stuff to come.